In this video, we will understand how to improve our English through watching movies and listening to a song. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Excellent Learning Point. I am Rahul and this is our day 8 in our 30-day challenge to speak fluent English. So let's get started. Number 1, listening to a song. So we will just play a clip for you to understand how to practice English by listening to a song. Two things to be remember while you're listening to a song. Number one, always have your earphones. Okay. Number two, open the lyrics when you're listening to a song. So the benefit of doing that, when you're listening to a song, you can understand the grammar, you can understand the vocabulary and the sentence structure. That's give you a hint that where should I use present tense or where should I use past tense and which word should I use for convey the message and all. Okay, so this was the step 1 where you can listen to a song and have an entertainment. Also you learn some new words in your sentence structure and enhance your English. Next step, or you can say method number 2, is movies. Movies are the biggest source of entertainment, so why don't we use them for learning English? I will just play a clip for you and tell you how can you learn English by listening to the movies and watching to the movies.
Hang on. We like to go fast.
I like fast.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Get your feet down. This is fresh lacquer.
As you saw the clip of the movies where subtitles was running along with the dialogue deliveries. The benefit of having subtitle is that you can listen to it and you can repeat it after. In order to practice this exercise, what you have to do is just take a movie clip of half an hour and every dialogue you listen, please focus to repeat the dialogues and take notes of the words that you find familiar and tough for you, and you can practice it throughout the day. And believe me guys, if you follow this method, then you definitely enhance your English. Okay, now coming to the method number 3, peoples. You are surrounded by the people. You go to the work, you find people. You stay at home, you find people. You watching movies, you find people. What could be the best way to learn English is when you are surrounded by people. So we have the method where you actually listen to the peoples carefully. Don't be the part of the conversation. Just pay attention to the structure of sentence. Pay attention to the word the using. Pay attention which kind of way they are speaking. Are they taking pauses? Are they looking each other? This is how the notice somebody, and you can learn English when you practice at your home and you really understand the mistake you are making. So these are 3 methods covering the movies, the song and the people. You are listening to them. By listening you can enhance your English. Just keep repeating it, keep making notes of these things and definitely you will enhance your English. Starting from today, please use this method. Okay guys, thank you. I hope this video was useful for you. Okay guys, we will get back with the most interesting video in this 30-day challenge. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Excellent Point. Please like the video and definitely click the bell icon so to have more updates. Thank you so much.